Imagine a robot that does your chores, walks your dog, folds your laundry, and maybe even babysits your kids. That future? It's not 10 years away, it's next year. Elon Musk just dropped a bombshell. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is coming, and it's nothing like you've seen before. Tesla's humanoid robot journey started as a joke, a man in a tight suit pretending to be a robot. Today, it's a jaw-dropping piece of engineering. Gen 2 could already walk faster, handle delicate tasks, and do yoga. But Elon says Gen 3 will have so many improvements. What does that mean? Buckle up. Let's rewind. Gen 2 was already a game changer. Tesla cut 10 kilos off its weight, added a flexible neck, doubled its hand articulation, and upgraded its feet to mimic human toes, literally. It could perform yoga poses, crack eggs, and dance better than your uncle at weddings. But this was just the warm-up. Now, Gen 3 is about to drop, and although Tesla hasn't shown it yet, here's what we do know. Production is already ramping up for internal factory use this year. Public rollout, 2026. And Tesla's aiming for 100,000 units or more by next year. But here's the kicker. Gen 3 is designed not just for factories, but for your home. Tesla says Optimus will handle your most tedious tasks, folding clothes, cooking, even threading a needle tasks that demand real coordination. Imagine coming home and your robot chef already has dinner ready. Your laundry is folded, your baby safe and sound. This isn't a sci-fi script, it's Tesla's blueprint. Why is Elon betting big on humanoid robots? Because Optimus isn't just a product, it's Tesla's ticket to the next trillion-dollar market. While the world watches robotaxis and EVs, Musk is quietly building a labor force that never sleeps, never complains, and never goes on strike. Gen 3 may be the first humanoid robot made, not just for factories, but for every home. Musk didn't reveal Gen 3's full specs, but here's what to watch. Will it master fine motor control, like threading needles or wiring microchips? Will it use Grok AI for decision-making? Will Tesla allow developers to program it like the App Store for iPhones? The answers could redefine labor, software, and what we call human tasks. Let's connect the dots. xAI's Grok 3 is now running on Oracle Cloud, being embedded into Tesla systems. If Gen 3 robots are powered by Grok, we're not just talking about useful robots. We're talking about early artificial general intelligence in your home. That's either amazing or terrifying, depending on how you see the future. There was a time when cars replaced horses, phones replaced letters, and now robots may replace human hands. The big question isn't, can we build them? It's, are we ready to live with them? Gen 3 is not just a robot. It's the start of a new relationship between humanity and machines. What if Optimus becomes the most important product Tesla ever makes? What if Gen 3 is the first robot, smart enough to live beside you, but also work for you?